What? They shouldn't be.
They were open.
They were?
Yep.
All the way?
No.
Oh, we just didn't close them tight enough.
Yeah,
What do you think about that? You getting paint on your fingers?
Nope, they're not dry.
Wow, that's a really nice painting, Phoenix. You need a little more paint? You can put your... What, Rue? You can put your other fingers in there if you want. You can use that finger. Kiana, do you think you could get him a paper? Oh, here we go. You don't want your hands to have paint? There you go. You want your drink? Oh, you want the... You want to see this?
This is where it works.
What? You want your markers? Here, baby. Okay, these are different kind of colors. You need some help? Can you say please? Can you say please? Use your voice. Please? Ooh. Oh, you're going to put it in the paint, huh? You going to use that as a paintbrush? That's a pretty color, blue. And there's orange. What other colors do we have? Is this brown or purple? Purple. Ooh. Some purple. Really nice. I like that. Good job coloring.
How do you help you cost like a crazy person? Well, he is kind of crazy.
Wow, I like that.
Aww.
What, Kiana?